Hi, I wanted to talk a little bit about one of the things I've been working on recently, which is the ability to now build Bravo Studio apps in React Native. I think we're one of the only people who are building the no-code tools who allow you to build not only in native iOS, native Android, but also React Native. So this is quite a new thing, but the big advantage for this is it's going to allow you to actually not only build your apps just the same as you had before with Bravo, but also actually get the code out as well, which is something a lot of people have been asking for a long time. So let me just show you what we got to. It's not completely done just yet. We're still working on it. We're looking to get this out the door in early February to the initial version with not all the features, but at least some of the core features, and then we'll add features on after that. So just to show you how it's going so far. So this is still an emulator of an Android device, and as you can see, what's going to happen is we're going to boot the phone up. So this is Expo loading, React Native. It's generating the bundle, so it's basically doing converting the Bravo Studio setup into React Native code. And then what we've got is basically a version of the same preview that you have currently. So a lot of people will have, you've seen the preview before, and this is basically the previewer in React Native. So this is the previewer, as you've seen before. We've got all load up your apps as you've got just as you have right now, and I'll just show you some of the apps working. Going to pop-up apps, so exactly in the same rendition of the pop-up app. I'm going to the modal app one now. Yeah, I mean it generates it all really perfectly. It's working really well. So that is the Android version. But what's really good about what we've done now is we've got on this other window over here, which is the web version as well. Obviously, the beauty of React Native is not only going to deliver for Android and iOS, but it can also deliver the web version. So here, same thing again, exact replica of what you've seen on Android. And as you can see, going in, you can see the same rendition as Android app working, same rendition of pop-ups, and it's all there. So we're getting pretty close to showing this off. I think we're also going to show off going to the slider one as well. So we've got it generating Android apps. We've got it doing the web version. We're currently working on adding the build process. And the way it will work is you'll be able to build apps in very similar way to how you do it right now. You'll still use the same designs, the same process will be the building process, the same binding. The only difference will be you'll be able to output builds for React Native for iOS and Android, and potentially web as well. And we're also going to see if we can add the web preview in and see that you need to use Bravo Vision to actually see your app working. Okay, that's basically what we've been working on. I hope that's interesting. If you'd like to learn a bit more about it, or be told when we actually get it ready to go out the door, then join the list that was just connected to this. Great. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.